Hello, my name is Sarah van Dongen. I'm an illustrator and today I'm gonna do a draw yourself with Domestika. Do it again or not?
Yes.
Yes. Yourself or myself? Okay, yeah, that's good. With Domestika. I remember my mom reading picture books to me as a child. I love stories in general. What I do remember is illustrations from picture books. The 12 Dancing Princesses. I don't even know how to spell this. Princesses? Maybe that's wrong, that's okay. It's illustrated by Jane Ray. That's my favorite. So this is my mother reading. She's happy. I always thought that drawings were pointless. It's just a flat piece of paper, you know, you can't play with it. It's not very functional, so as a child I really liked to make three-dimensional things that I could play with. So I remember making a lot of mobile phones and like little laptops, because when I was a child I was often a secret agent. When I was growing up, I had a very happy childhood, and then suddenly you have to grow up. As a woman you change, you get boobs. Like, why is this happening to me? I thought that was terrible, and I kind of lost the ability to play. I had a lot of castles that I made and doll houses, and then suddenly somehow I wasn't able to play with them anymore. Like, I lost what I was doing with my life. And then I found drawing. My father gave me this big empty book with roses on it. And first I thought this will be a journal, you know, a diary. But after a page I got tired and I stopped, and then I started drawing. And that's actually the beginning of my illustration career, maybe. Maybe that's where it all started. Well, actually my ultimate dream is to become a grandmother, and I will be living in the countryside. I have a big house. Oh, what I really want is to have a few dogs. I've had a lot of pets when I was a child. I had rabbits, but they all died horrible deaths. One was killed by the lawnmower, so he was, how do you say, decapitated? We had a whole funeral service where a lot of family came and we put the rabbit in the ground. It's not a nice story, this. No, let's talk about something else. Believe in yourself. You know, you can do anything. If you put in the effort, yeah, and you need a little bit of luck, obviously, but believing in yourself, that's the most important thing. In school, my teacher said that I wasn't good at drawing, so I never pressed hard enough on my pencil, so all my drawings were very light. It was very unclear what was going on in the drawing. So yeah, teachers, look at me now. I'm famous. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to Domestika, and if you want to learn more about me or my process, check out my online course.